ROCKWOOL TOPROCK DD has been designed for industrial and commercial flat roof applications. For new builds or to upgrade an existing roof, this is a non-combustible insulation product that can handle tough conditions and is not affected by heat or moisture. Plus, it's been designed for easy installation, and we're going to show you just how it's done. Use a chalk line or take steps to ensure that the first row of insulation is straight. Start at the low end of the roof and lay down the TOPROCK DD boards, butting them tightly together to minimize any gaps between the boards. Don't kick the board, just push them tightly together. The boards must be installed with the high-density top surface facing up. You will see that each board has this side out marked on the top surface. This must be visible to confirm that the boards are installed correctly. The insulation board can be easily cut to fit around roof details with a serrated edge knife. A Sawzall-type tool can also be used. If more than one layer is specified, then each layer should be installed with the joints staggered. TOPROCK DD is dimensionally stable and made within type size tolerances, so the board should be butted tightly together to minimize gaps without having to worry about warping, cupping, or crowning. Once the insulation boards are in place, they should be fastened securely to the roof deck. If adhesives are used, the boards will lay flat and there's no need to weigh them down or worry about curling at the corners. In this system, the Rhino Bond fasteners are installed directly through both layers of TOPROCK DD to the steel deck as specified by the membrane manufacturer. Fastening requirements are dependent on the roof system being used. TOPROCK DD typically requires the use of 4 fasteners per board in the field of the roof. The membrane and insulation manufacturer's recommendations must be followed for fastening of the roof assembly to the roof deck. Torque settings on the fastening tool should be adjusted and care should be taken to ensure that you do not overdrive the fasteners. For this system, the single-ply membrane is installed and mechanically attached using approved fasteners based on the membrane manufacturer's installation instructions. Once your installation is complete, you'll have a durable, dimensionally stable roof assembly ready to provide you with exceptional performance for many years. It's designed to handle harsh weather conditions and extreme changes in temperature. And while other types of insulation may see an R-value loss of 10 to 20% over time, ROCKWOOL TOPROCK DD's R-value is guaranteed for up to 30 years.